Welcome to my channel again. Last time we made a simple balloon, so today we're going to make a hard one. Please welcome in clown action.
First, pump up your gold chrome twisty balloon. Tie a knot. And leave an 8-finger tail at the end of the balloon. Make 2 pinch twists. Then a loop twist. Make a 14-centimeter bubble, then 2 more pinch twists. Next, make 3 bubbles, 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 6 centimeter. With the end of the 6 centimeter bubble, twist it into the 2 pinch twists that was made earlier. Then repeat the process of making another 3 bubbles of 6 centimeter, 4 centimeter, and 6 centimeter, then twisting it into the pinch twists. You can either hide the tail into the pinch twists, or if the tail is too long, tie a knot and cut off the rest of the tail. Now, pump up your silver chrome twisty balloon. And make a 60-centimeter bubble and tie the knot. Tie another knot at the other end and cut off the rest. Attach the silver balloon to the pinch twist side of the golden handle. Now to make the sword fancier, use any scrap balloon and pump up a small bubble, around 3 centimeters, to make a gem. Hey Lucas, what color would you like?
Well, I want a red one.
Put the gem inside the loop twist. And your sword is complete.
Wow, I have a better one. Thank you, bye-bye.